Good morning, students. It's me, Harsnath Sukla, and today in class 12 we are going to discuss uh, some more question based on approximation. Topic approximation. Okay, so let us begin. First, you solve. Find the approximate value of cube root of 127 using differentiation. We need to find the approximate value of cube root of 127 using differentiation. So first of all, we consider the function. What is the function? Y is equals to cube root of x. Okay, here x is 125, that means nearest whose cube root is a perfect number, this is, and delta x is 2. Okay, so x plus delta x is what? X plus delta x, this is nothing but 125 plus 2, that means if we find fx plus delta x, that is fx plus delta x, otherwise this is x and this is delta x, because 125 plus to 127. Now y is equals to x to the power 1 by 3, so first you find dy by dx. This is 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, so this is 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2 by 3, so we can write it as x to the power 2 by 3. Understood? So as x is equals to 125, so we write here 1 by 3 into 125 power 2 by 3, so this is 1 upon 3 into 25, this is 1 upon 75. Understood? 1 upon 75, and 1 upon 75 means yes, 1 upon 75. Now delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. So delta y is nothing but dy by dx into delta x. Dy by dx you know very well. This is 1 upon 75 into delta x is 2. So this is 2 by 75. This is 0.026. Okay, now y plus delta y, that means fx plus delta x plus fx. So delta y is nothing but fx plus delta x minus fx. Fx plus delta x minus fx. So fx plus delta x, this is delta y plus fx. So you know this is cube root of 127, and this is what delta y, this is nothing but 0.026 plus fx, that means 120, cube root of 125. So this is nothing but cube root of 127. This is 5, this is 0.026, so 5.026. So note it down. This is the first type of question which we have already discussed. So one more question we shall discuss based on this, then another type of questions. Okay, so note it down. So I hope you noted down this particular question. Now, next one, find the approximate value of square root of, find the approximate value of square root of 0.037. Find the approximate value of square root of 0.037. Okay, so this is 0.037. That means we have to consider y as a square root of x function. So dy by dx, this is nothing but 1 by 2, x to the power minus 1 by 2. So 1 upon 2 root of x. Okay. Now, as here x is equal to 0.04. Understood? Because this is 0, 0 and delta x is nothing but minus 0.003. If you subtract, then you will get this one. Now, dy by dx is nothing but 1 upon 2 root of 0.04. So this is 1 upon 2 into 0.2. So this is 1 upon 0.4. Okay. So this is nothing but 2.5. What it is? 2.5. Now delta y is delta y plus delta y or delta y. So y plus delta y is what? You can write y is 0.2. Delta y is dy by, first we find delta y, and delta y is dy by dx. So dy by dx into delta x. So dy by dx is 2.5 into delta x. Delta x is minus 0.003, and if we write it, this is minus 0.075. 0.0075. 0.0075 if you multiply it. Now delta y plus delta y is, this is delta x. Actually y plus delta y is fx plus delta x. So y plus delta y is what? This is nothing but root of 0.037, and this is nothing but y is y is 0.04, and this is y is x power 0.2 minus 0.0075. So this is nothing but 0.1925. 0.1925. So this is answer. So note it down, and then next another type of question we are going to discuss. I hope I completed this one. Now next one is find the approximate value of f3.01. Find the approximate value of f3.01 if fx is 3x square, x square plus 3x plus 1, x square plus 3x plus 1. So here suppose x is equals to 3 and delta x is equals to 0.01. Okay. Now f3, that is y is equals to fx, that is f3. This is nothing but 3 square, 3 into 3 plus 1. This is 9, 9, 18 and this is 19. Now delta x, delta y is equals to dy by dx into delta x. So dy by dx is what? 2x plus 3. And this is nothing but delta x 0.01. Now 2x plus 3, so delta y, this is 2x plus 3, so 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0.01, so 6, 3, 9 into 0.01, 0.09. So this is the value of f dash 3, that means delta y. Now our whole function is fx plus delta x is equals to delta y minus fx. Okay, so f x plus delta x is equals to delta y minus fx. Let's do. So f x plus delta x, this is f3.01 and this is the value of delta y. Delta y is 0.09, 0.09. fx plus delta x is equals to delta y plus fx, because fx plus delta x minus fx is equal to delta y. So f3.0 delta y is 0.09 plus fx, that means f3, this is 90. Okay, so f3.01, this is nothing but 19.09. It's so simple. f3, that means fx, okay, x plus delta x, f3.01, and delta y you find y, this delta y, this is, and this how will we find delta y? This is f2x plus 3. So at x is equal to 3, delta y is 90. So note it down. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Now some question you have to write and solve it. The first question is, if fx is equals to 2x square, if fx is equals to 2x square plus 5x plus 2, then find approximate value f2.01. Find approximate value of f2.01. Okay. Now next question, one more question you have to solve based on this. Find fx, if fx is equals to 3x square plus 4x minus 1. Fx is equals to 3x square plus 4x minus 1. Then find approximate value of 3.1. Then find approximate value of f3.1. Okay, f3.1. Okay, so we need to find approximate value of these. One more question you have to write here. It is given. Using differentiation, find the approximate value of (0.009) whole to the power 1/3. So these are the question for your homework. So please try to understand. And whatever our next lecture, our live class, we will start the maxima minima. This is the last topic for this chapter. Okay. So thank you very much.